Chapter 20. Means of Communication. Communication means to speak, write thoughts, ideas, or use signs and sounds to share ideas and information with each other. In ancient times, people used to send messages to faraway places by pigeons or horse riders. The message was written on a piece of paper and tied to the leg of the pigeon. People use smoke signals or beat drums to communicate. There are some people who cannot speak and some who cannot hear as well. Such people are called speech and hearing impaired people. In the school, such children or students learn through sign language. This is done by different movements of the hands and fingers. They convey their needs, thoughts, and feelings through sign language. The expressions on a person's face can tell a lot. Happiness, sadness, anger, fear, worry, and confusion can be seen by the expression on a person's face. In dance performances, actors and actresses express themselves without speech. Indian classical dancers have different body movements to express different feelings and emotions. They convey expressions through different mudras. Face expressions in dance. Modern means of communication. The earlier means of communication are outdated now. In modern times, we use various newer and modern means of communication to send and receive messages from different people and places. We have different types of modern methods of communication. Postal communication. We communicate with people living far away by sending postcards, inland letters, and speed post. These are used to write letters or send messages. Every inland letter, postcard, or envelope carries the address of the person to whom the letter is being sent. These are available at a post office. Postcards, inland letters, and aerograms. We use an aerogram or an airmail to send letters abroad. Urgent letters can be sent through speed post or courier. They reach very fast. Parcels and money orders can also be sent by post. Electronic communication. The telephone, mobile phone, internet, and fax are means of electronic communication. The telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. The telephone is a very fast means of communication. We can talk to a person in any part of the world through a telephone. We make direct calls on STD or subscriber trunk dialing within our country. We use ISD, International Subscriber Dialing, to make calls to other countries. Do you know? Ray Tomlinson was a pioneering American computer programmer who implemented the first email program on the ARPANET system in 1971. He died on March 5, 2016. Mobile phone. Mobile phone is a wireless device. It is the easiest and quickest mode of communication. It helps us communicate with people in any part of the world. Email. Internet is a worldwide network of computers. We can send and receive messages via the internet. The internet is used to send emails or electronic mails to different parts of the world. Mass communication. Information can be sent to a large number of people through radio, television, magazines, newspapers, etc. These are called mass media. Communication through mass media is called mass communication. Radio, television, magazines, newspapers. Radio. Radio is a device which is used to listen to news and songs. It gives latest information, weather report, and news. Many different kinds of educational programs are broadcast on it. Television. Television is the most popular audiovisual means of communication. We get a lot of information through the television. It also provides us with entertainment. Newspapers and magazines. Newspapers and magazines are the cheapest means of printed communication. They provide news from different places and countries of the world. These are means of print media communication. Value voice. We should use means of communication to spread peace and awareness. They should not be misused. Key words. Communication. The way in which a person exchanges feelings, thoughts, ideas, and all other information. PIN. Postal Index Number. STD. Subscriber Trunk Dialing. ISD. International Subscriber Dialing. Mass Communication. Communication through mass media like radio, TV, newspapers, etc. Let's remember. The process of receiving or sending messages to people is called communication. Speech impaired and hearing impaired people use sign language to communicate. Dancers use their hands, legs, and face to communicate. Telephones, mobile phones, fax, and computer are some modern means of communication. Newspapers, magazines, television and radio are means of mass communication.